Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making an easy 4-ingredient apple spice cake cookies. For that I'm going to need a whole container of Cool Whip, 1 egg, a package of, in my case, Betty Crocker super moist spice cake, and a can of pre-prepared apple filling for pie. My first step will be to combine the egg and whipped cream thoroughly. After that, we'll be combining in the spice cake mix. And also thoroughly combining that into the Cool Whip. And once it's mixed together, it'll look pliable but pretty stiff, like cookie dough. And take about roughly a tablespoon each, after I grease the pan, of course. Start laying it out. The last step will be to open that can of pie filling in the middle. Put 1 piece of apple or 2, depending on what you can fit. Just sit it right there in the middle. And these are going to go into the oven that has been preheated to 350 for the next 14 minutes. And once those are out of the oven, they are going to be, well, huge. And we're going to let them sit until they're room temperature and firm up a little so we can eat them and try them. Alright, we cooked those cookies and they turned out a little more soft than I like. But, I mean, they were 3 or 4 ingredients and they still look amazing. So, got one over here that fell apart. I'm going to try it on out. Gonna have to say they have a great flavor. I'm not sure about the texture because maybe they could have cooked a little longer. Had something else different in them, maybe a little more cake mix. I don't know. They're still tasty, even though they're a little, you know, floppy, not crispy. They're still really good, though. Just a little interesting. So if you have any thoughts, know what I could have done different. They're still tasty, though. Leave me a like. Leave me a comment about it. I'm going to get back to eating my really droopy cookies that I love. Night.